Hello friends, greetings of the day. This is a Nagesh Arekar and I will be presenting what is meant by the financial accounting as well as what are the source are required or what is the source of the finance which are required by any business. First one is a financial accounting. Before discussing about a financial account, we will going to see what is meant by finance. In a direct ways, we can say that the finance means the money, and while we are thinking about any business development, the finance plays a vital roles in that all entire process, because we can say finance is the things which are a fuel for any business. Now, what is a financial accounting? Financial accounting is a particular type of the accounting that include a method of documenting, summarizing, reporting, and transaction arising from any business operations for a period of time, such as the transactions are outlined in the preparations of accountant, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, which documents financial result of the company over a particular period of time. Yes, financial accounting is required. It is a requirement of any business to keep a track of its development, as well as to keep a track of its money. In India, we have seen the financial accounting start from 1st April and it ends on the 31st March of next year. Financial accounting reflects the accounting on accrual basis over the accounting of cash basis. Non-profit firms, companies, and small businesses use accountants in the financial matters. Yes, it's a requirement. It's a requirement in any business to keep a track of its money. Now, while we are thinking about financial accounting, yes, there are some merits and demerits of the accounting. The merits of the accountings are as below: the maintenance of the business records. Yes, financial accounting will gives you a best, or you can say it will gives you a flexibility to keep or to maintain your business records. It will help you for the preparations of financial statement. It will help you to comparison of result. How it will help you to compare result? You can means any business developer can compare its current financial account with the previous financial accounting, and it will gives a better comparison within themselves or within the business also. It will gives you a better flexibility, or it will provide better flexibility for decision making, evidence in the legal matters, provide information related to parties. Yes, when any business developer developing his or their business, he or they are related with the so many parties, and it is a necessity of any business to keep a track or keep a record of their those parties and the information of their that parties. Financial accounting give means it will help us to provide the information related to parties, help in the taxation. In India, so many tax are playing their role to grow the GDP of the governments. And yes, financial accounting gives a better idea about taxations, value of the business, replacement of memories. These are the merits of the accounting. Now, demerits of the accounting. Demerit of the accounting express the accounting information in a term of money. Yes, it is the biggest demerits of any kind of financial accounting, because whatever we are having in a we are having related to business will be expressed in the form of money only. Next one is the accounting information based on the estimates. Whatever decision made or whatever information we are having, it is totally based on the estimate which we have done before starting any business. Accounting information may be biased. Recording of fixed assets at the original cost. Yes, any kind of fixed assets which are being used by business are they are keeping a record of that assets on its original cost. Manipulation of account main money as a measurement unit charge in the value. Yes, this is the biggest demerits of the financial account. Whatever we are having in our business, that is considered that everything is considered in the change in the mode of money only. Now when we are thinking about any business or to develop a business, the source of finance plays a vital role, because it is the thing which plays a 80% role for any business. Now what are the source of the finance? The source of the finance are as below: long term source, medium term source, short term source of finance, own capital, borrowed capital, internal sources and external sources. Now we are going to see what is mean by the long term source. Long term, yes, of course, from its name we can we can think that, or we can consider that it is the capital which are required by any business for a long term. Such a long term, it means more than 5 years or up to 20 years. It's or it may be dependent on the factors. The capital expenditure in the fixed asset like a plant, machinery, land and building etc of the business are funded using a long term sources of the finance. Part of working capital which is a permanently stays with the business is also financed with the long term source of the funds. Now what are the example of the long term finance? The example of the long-term finance are share capitals, equity, preferences capitals or preferences shares, retained earning or internal accrual, debentures, bonds, term loans from a financial institute, government or the commercial banks, venture funding, assets scrutinizations. These are the example of long term finance. Now we are going to see what is mean by the medium source of finance. The medium source of a finance that can be used means the source which are being used for the 3 to 5 years, uh, generally yes, 3 to 5 years for any business. Generally it is used for the two reasons: when the long term capital is not available. Yes, sometimes it happens, means business need a long term capital, but they are means businesses fail to develop long term sources. In that case, businesses move towards the medium term sources and they avail it. Second is the need of the business. Yeah, medium term sources are depends on the need of the business. When businesses needs sources for short term, they will go for a need for a medium period, they will go for a medium term source of finance. Now example of the medium source of finance are preferences capital, preferences share, debentures, bond, medium term loan, financial institute, government and the commercial banks, less finance, higher purchase finance, etc etc. Next one is a short term finance or short term source of finance. Yes, short term source of finance, we can say that the sources which are required less than 1 year, it can be determined as a short term source of finance. The need of short term finance arises to finance the current assets of the business like inventory of raw material and finished goods, debtors, minimum cash flow, bank balance, etc etc. Short term financing is also named as a working capital financing. The example of the short-term finance are as below: straight credit, short-term loan like a working capital loans from a commercial bank, fixed deposit for the period of 1 year or less, advances received from the customer. Yes, it is a part of the short-term sources of the finance: creditor, payables, factors servicing, bill discounting, etc etc. Part of the short-term source of the finance. Next one is own capital. Yes, Of course, sometimes it there is a no need of previously said three kinds of sources. In that case, owners develops its own means owners use its own capital. It is called as own capital. Also refers to the equity. It is a source from the promoter of the any company or from the general public by issuing new equity shares. Promoter starts the business to by bring in the requirement money. Example of the own sources are equity, preferences, return earning, convertible debentures, ventures funds, or the private equity. Next one is the borrowed capital. Yes, sometimes it is a necessity of any business to avail the sources of the finance or to avail the finance on highest priority. The borrowed or the debit capital is the finance which is arranged from the outside sources. These sources of the debit financing include the following: financial institute, commercial banks, or the general public in the case of debentures. In this type of capital, the borrower has a charge on the assets of the business, which means the company will pay the borrower by selling the assets. In the case of liquidations, another features of the borrowed funds is the regular payment of the fixed assets and the replacement of the capital. The certain advantages of borrowers are as follows: there is no dilutions in the ownership and the control of the business. Yes, when any business are borrowing money from outsources, there will not be any kind of the dilutions in the ownership of that business. The cost of the borrowed funds is low since it is a deducted expense for the taxation purposes, which ends up with a saving on the taxes for the company. It gives the business the benefit of leverage. Now comes to the internal sources. These are the sources which are used from the within any organization, such as the returns on the profit, reductions, or controlling in working capital. What is meant by the reduction and the controlling of the working capital? It means to reduce manpower or reduce the resources which are not actually required for the businesses. Uh, Sales of assets. Yes, these are the example of the internal sources. Now come to the external sources. And external sources of the finance is the capital which are generated from the outside of the outside of the business, apart from the internal sources of the funds. All the sources are external. Yes, yes. Now we can say the first, apart from the internal sources, all the sources are external. Means the long term, short terms, medium terms, borrowed. These are the example of the external sources. Deciding right source of the funds is a crucial business decision taken by a top level finance manager. Yes, it is a main part of the deciding the right source. The uses of the wrong source increase the cost of the funds, which in the terms would have direct impact on the feasibility of the project under the concern, or improper match of the type of the capital with the business requirement. It may go against the smooth functioning of the business. Yes, while we are deciding or while taking a decision regarding a financial source of finance, it it is playing a more vital or more essential role for any business, because the decision regarding to source of finance may go against the development of the businesses. It can produce a negative effect for any business. Now if you are having any query related to today's session, please write me into comment. Thank you for today. Thanks.